Did you know that over 85% of email clients won't support embedded videos, causing them to be stripped from your emails? But don't worry, I'm about to show you the perfect workaround for embedding videos in your Klaviyo emails that keeps your content engaging and delivers those results. I'm Eric from Strategic Email, where we help you master digital marketing strategies that drive real results. Today, I'm going to be diving into a common question: how to embed video into Klaviyo emails effectively. Klaviyo doesn't support embedding videos directly into emails due to deliverability issues, but there's a smart way to make sure that your recipients get the full video experience. Firstly, let's talk about why embedding videos directly into email isn't supported by most email clients. Most email clients like Gmail, Apple Mail, Outlook see videos as potential security threats. This means that if you embed a video, your email might end up in the spam folder, or worse, the video could be completely stripped out, leaving your email looking broken. But don't worry, Klaviyo has a great workaround that ensures that your videos get seen and your emails still look professional. Starting at the Klaviyo homepage, we're going to click on Campaigns. We're going to create a campaign. I'm going to call this Video Pane 1. Continue. I'm going to choose which audience we're going to send this email out to. I'm going to choose email list, but if you have a segment you want to choose, you can choose that here. And I'm going to turn on tracking, and I'm going to push next. So I'm going to open up a template. I'm going to select this one, use template. Once the template has loaded, on this left-hand box, I'm going to choose video content. I'm going to drag it into the email. Once it loads, I'm going to go ahead and put the video URL into this video URL box right here. The thumbnail will be in the email. For the alt text, I'm going to call this a link to no more bounces in Mailchimp. I always toggle this show play button on, and the reason why is so that my audience knows that this is a clickable link. And if you want to adjust the thumbnail, you can do so here. If you want to fit to the column, you can do so here. If you want to add some padding, you can do that here. If you want to change the background color, you can do that here. If you want to give it some sort of border area, you can do that there. If you want to give it another background color, you can do that here. And again, if you want to pad the block itself, you can do that here. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure this looks good on mobile. So we're going to look at mobile. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. So I'm happy with that. If you want to send out a test email, you can do that by clicking on the preview and then sending a test. But I'm pretty happy with it. I already saw the preview. So what I'm going to do is, since everything looks good to me, I'm going to click next. And now we have an embedded video in our Klaviyo email. So you can continue setting up your email here with a subject line, preview text, sender name, etc., and then sending it off. Now, to maximize clicks, there are a few best practices to keep in mind. Number one is you want to make sure your thumbnail looks nice. You should have already done this when you uploaded the YouTube video, but make sure that your audience likes the way that your thumbnail looks. You might want to use a strong call to action like watch now or see this video to drive links to the video. Don't forget to optimize for mobile. You want to make sure that your video looks nice on every platform that your customer might see your email. Following these steps will help ensure your audience clicks through and watches your video, driving more engagement with your content. How do you know if this strategy is working? Testing is the key. Klaviyo makes it super easy to do A/B testing. So if we wanted to have the video be here or be underneath the picture, we could do that to see which one drives more engagement. By continually testing and optimizing, you can fine-tune the approach to find out where the best click-through rates are. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about embedding videos in Klaviyo emails. If you found this video helpful, click on the link in the description below to sign up for my free email newsletter, where I send out tips, tricks, and other strategies to help you improve your email marketing game and up your conversion rate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.